Okay, now, last week because I wasn't well, so I think we will go through both tutorial 15 and 16 today. Okay, so I think we'll go a little bit faster. Yeah. Okay, we'll start with tutorial 15 first. Okay, you can see my screen, right? Okay, so we're gonna cover MCQs and then open-ended compre, yeah? So, okay, let's quickly go through the questions. We are at tutorial 15. This question is a question on article. Okay, because all these are what we call determiners articles, right? So Timothy's grandfather is in what hospital with cholera? So we are very, yes, see, very good. We are very specific. When we use the means we specifically know what are we referring to. So it's the hospital with cholera. Very good. Okay, now next one. There is one well in La Côte, Mexico, known for its miracle water to cure AIDS and cancer. There is
A.
very good. Okay, because we do not know specifically where is the well, but we have heard of this well before. So it's in general. So when it's in general, we use a. Does staying in PG accommodations have what advantages? It's a question.
B.
Yes, any. Does it have any advantages? Right? Very good. What family has received an invitation to the wedding? Has. So,
Everything.
so it cannot be both because it is singular. So it should be B. Because whenever we use the word every, for example, everyone has. Everybody has. Okay? So the answer is B. Okay? Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Let's stand in the queue. There are what people in it? Let's stand in this queue. There are,
4 people. Yes.
sorry, you were
A or
saying?
B. Is it A or B?
Yes, it's A or B. It's not C, it's not D.
Let's B. I
So,
think B.
yes, there are fewer. Okay, very good. So the answers are here. Let's move on to vocabulary. I'm going a little bit faster because we have to cover both weeks, yeah? Both weeks tutorial. Okay, I like my coffee with milk and sugar, but she what to have it with condensed milk.
B. I mean D. D. Because
Very good. She prefers, right? It's a choice, it's a preference. What the camp had to be cancelled due to bad weather.
unfortunate.
Very good. A, yes. Okay. Yeah, I think I will annotate for you because if you were to annotate, it will not be shown on the screen when I move on to the next page. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Students took out. Okay, let me just clear it first. Let's see. Okay. Students took out their pencil cases and left the bags outside the examination hall. Very good. The most important part of a successful prank is the what of surprise.
C. Element of
Very good. Element of surprise. Well done. If we do our part, many what animal species can be saved?
endangered. A.
Good, Rakshan. Well done. Okay. Hazardous means is something that is can be poisonous or
Danger.
toxic.
Oh.
Okay, risky basically means it's higher in terms of danger. Okay, now we are going to go through comprehension. We're going to discuss how to answer literal questions. Now, literal questions means you can find the answer straight away directly from the text. Okay, so there are 3 steps that we should be taking. Step 1, we're supposed to read the information, the question, to determine what information we are required to find. Okay, step 2, then we go and read the text to find the relevant information. Okay, and of course, lastly, just write down your answer. Yeah, so literal questions are quite easy to answer because you can just read the text. The answer is in the text. We just need to find the correct answer, correct information. Okay, so let's read this one. Okay, Rakshan, maybe you would like to read the night festival.
Night festival. The night festival will be held at Long Shopping Center every night. There are many activities at the festival, and admission to the night festival is free. Upon entry, visitors will be given a special paper fan by the staff. Visitors who spend at least $20 at the night festival will be able to redeem a set of magnets at the entrance. Visitors who complete the mini games at all the stations will receive a soft toy. Visitors who wear black clothing will be given a colored light stick for free.
Very good, Rakshan. Okay, so the first question, okay? Read the question. We apply step 1. Read the question to determine what information you are required to find. So let's see. Visitors will be each
Soft toy,
given
one.
one. See?
It's
Okay.
just there.
Wait, hold on a second. Is it 1 after completing the mini games? Yeah, see? Receive a soft toy. Very good. Okay, so the answer is 1. Okay, so literal questions are quite easy. Straight away, you can find the answers from the text, yeah? So we have identified the important key things. So therefore, the answer is 1. Okay, so see, we managed to find the information from the text. That's step 2. And step 3, write down your answer. Okay? All right, now we're going to start with our compre. I think we'll just take turns to read 1 paragraph each since there's only 2 of us. Okay, Mr. Tan was a helpful and kind-hearted man. One day, he saw a purse on the ground and picked it up. It was empty. Just then, a woman approached him. She was with a police officer. With tears in her eyes, she sobbed, "The money is for my son's school fees. Return it now." Mr. Tan immediately took out his own money from his wallet and gave it to the woman. He said, "Take this. I'm sorry for causing you grief and anxiety." The woman grabbed the money and walked off. Mr. Tan was taken to the police station for further questioning. Okay, you read this page, yeah?
When she reached home, the woman counted the money. She was shocked to find that there was much more money than what she had at first. The next day, while the woman was on her way to pay her son's school fees, she noticed a man following her from afar. Feeling worried, she quickly took out her mobile phone and used it to call the police. 5 minutes later, the same police officer arrived and grabbed the man. He realized it was Mr. Tan. The police officer explained to the woman, "Mr. Tan did not steal your money. When he heard about your son's school fees, he felt sad and gave you his own money." Mr. Tan added, I followed you just now to make sure that you don't lose the money again." The woman was speechless and realized that she had accused Mr. Tan wrongly.
Very good, Rakshan. So you see, there are 3 steps to answering such question, right? So same thing again, the 3 steps will be read the question, find out what information you're supposed to find. Number 2, go back to the text, find the relevant info. And number 3, write down your answer based on the information found, okay? So let's take a look at the first question. What was the woman going to use the money in her purse for?
For her son's school fee.
Okay, usually what question is literal? And then what information are we supposed to find? Use the money in her purse for, right? So let's go back to the paragraph.
Is this
Okay, the money is for my son's school fees. Yeah. Oh no, sorry. Okay, so going back to this question, okay, so we'll write it down accordingly. Right, we have found the correct information. We go back to the question and write down our answer. The woman,
going to use the money in her purse for her son's school fees?
yes, that's right, was going to use the money in her purse for her son's school fee. Right, this is not too difficult, right? The answer is just that. Okay, her son's school fees. Right. Okay, next one. Again, repeat 3 steps. Read the question carefully, find out the information you're required to find. Go back to the text, find the information, go back to the question, write your answer. Okay, so this question, Mr. Tan found the wallet was empty because
He
okay,
didn't
so
tell about it in the comprehension, but they just give us a clue that it was empty.
yeah, it was
So
empty
it can be
because
someone will be
okay, let's go
stealing
back
the
to the
money.
text.
That's why she called the police. Something like that. I think it's the first one. Someone had told me.
Okay, so it was empty, and then they didn't say, right, actually.
Yeah. So it must
Yeah,
be a
yeah, I
someone
think
different because it's for her son's school fees.
yeah, correct. So actually, her money was lost because I think this question is not literal. This question is a little bit inferential because we have to predict, we have to sort of like guess based on contextual clues what happened to the money in her wallet. Okay, I think the best answer would be,
One.
yeah, would be 1.
Yeah.
Okay,
Then she also
definitely.
cannot.
Yeah,
Because you put he, then it means he didn't give his own money. It means he gives the woman's money.
yeah, correct. So actually he realized that, oh, this woman is so sad because she has lost her money in her wallet. So he wanted to give her his own money, right? Just to help her out. Yeah, I think that the best answer is 1. I mean A, that's right. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Which word? Basically, it's a quotation question. You are supposed to quote. Okay, you're supposed to quote the answer. So which word has the same meaning as worry? Select A or B. Grief or anxiety? Which one? Actually, this is not bad because they've given you a choice. So it's actually testing you on language use. How do you use your language?
One is a little confusing.
Sorry, Rakshan, you were saying?
This one is a little bit confusing.
Okay, now what is grief?
Grief, sadness.
Sorry, again, you were saying?
Oh, I got it. It's
No, not quite. Actually, worried, worried is not so much of grief. Okay, basically, grief is like it's only in in extreme major loss, such as like